Hello. Today we're here installing gutters on our home. Well, not on our actual house, but on the detached garage that's behind me. And just wanted to take a little bit of time and show you how it's done. So here we go. We got some parts here. All the little couplings and stuff like that, screws. We'll go over here. And that's the first piece that went up in cap. Going down. Got a joint connector in there, a little bit of caulking. Gonna connect that one piece and then go all the way to the end of the garage. So I don't know if my last piece is going to go all the way. If not, we're just gonna have to buy one and cut it down and probably use the other piece for part of the house. So we'll keep going on this project and show you the finished product.